Hey guys, it's Elijah here, and I'm gonna do a video. It's gonna be based on fidget spinners. I'm basically gonna be showing you my fidget spinner collection. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with number 6, which is this plain blue fidget spinner. And it makes a lot of noise, but I guess it's okay. I mean, it's okay, I guess.
Leave my tablet low. I need to see the picture.
Yeah, this is the fidget spinner right here. We're gonna move on to number 5. Number 5 is this small fidget spinner.
No.
It's my little brother's fidget spinner.
Guys.
Yeah, it's black and small, plain. Alright, let's move on to number 4.
Hey guys.
Number 4 is a LMD fidget spinner.
Hey guys,
It
I got
and
this
it can,
spinner,
change
guys.
modes, and I can barely
Remember, guys?
feel the fidget spinner when I spin it. It's like,
This is spinner.
it just feels weird when I spin it.
Okay,
It looks
guys.
pretty cool.
It's spinner.
Just gotta turn this off. Oh, we can also change modes. Alright, let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is fidget, like a American flag or a patriot fidget spinner. Hold on, let me spin it. It kind of makes noise when I spin it. It's kind of rusty. I don't know why, but it just is. But it's good. It looks cool. Number 2 is a lava fidget spinner. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It spins regularly, but almost all my fidget spinners don't spin that fast for that long. And there's something about it. It has white in the middle. If you're wondering, I'm in Armani's video. Go check that out. Armani Sullivan, that's his channel. And yeah, I'll leave that. I'll type his channel so you can subscribe and watch his videos. And yeah, this is my lava fidget spinner. We'll move on to number 1. This is a metallic small fidget spinner. It's the size of my little brother's fidget spinner, but it looks cool. And do you see it? Looks very cool. Alright. And I'm gonna end the video there, guys. I hope you like my video and subscribe to me. Peace.